this supposed to be scary?
No, not at all.
Shut up, dick. Okay. So we guide the blue coin through the maze. But don't touch the wall. Turn up your sound. I'm scared. Something's gonna pop out me. Ah, okay. Almost. Yay. Oh. What's going on? This is the same one. Oh, I didn't. Ah! I hate this game. You can't even get through the first level. Easy. Easy. Yes. Oh god, that's long. So she said. Oh! Damn! Do I gotta start all the way from the beginning? Is this supposed to be scary? One. How did I not make it? Wait, what's supposed to be scary? Do I have to get to the end?
It's scary how you can't get this.
Is that supposed to be scary part? I was this close! Oh, that was close. I didn't get it. I didn't freaking get it.
You got past chapter 1.
No! I cheered and It's challenge 1 actually, not challenge. It like once you finish the first challenge, it gets you right into the second challenge. I bounce off the wall. Wait. Help me. Wait, get me to the scary part. I can't do this. Yeah, that's what I thought. You make in front of me, you can't even get through it. How do you do that? You're gonna crash. You're gonna crash. You're gonna crash. Wait, when's this supposed to get scary? Ooh, you're dead. Ha oh! Froze! You stink.
Okay, you go.
Watching. Shut up. Ah! I hate this computer. I like my computer better. Easy. I don't even hit the wall. Okay.
Pick up the wire.
Yeah, that's what's killing me. Not it. Ooh! Yeah. See, that's what happens. It goes right from the first challenge and second challenge. I keep on moving that way, and it gets me. Easy.
Okay.
I didn't
Might I
touch it.
suggest this?
Full string. Oh, this is nice.
There you go.
That, but the blue dots are there. Oh, I'm flat.
Corey.
When is it? Tell me when it's supposed to get scary.
I don't know.
Corey, don't freaking lie to me. Is it scary? Like, is it not scary? Ah, my eyes are getting clogged up. Yes, eyes gonna get clogged.
Calm down. Nick.
You do it!
Slow down. Fun.
Just tell me when it's supposed to be scary. It's gonna be like a goblin at the end of the game. Yeah, that's right. You can't even get through that. Hey, calm down, Corey. Calm down. Gotcha. Idiot.
You're so bad.
Okay. Wait, is the third one easy?
I think so.
No, there's something supposed to be scary after this one. It's a long freaking video. We can get it done. Are you supposed to get it on the first try?
Yeah.
asking God. Shut up. I didn't even touch the wall. Shut up. Ooh. I'm a bee. Oh, my eye is killing me. I feel like somebody just stabbed me in the face. No, more like stabbed me in the eye. I want to punch myself in the face. Easy. Oh. You see how close that was? Oh, it was in there. That's what she said. Does it get easier after this one? No, there's something scary after this one. I know it. Because you're telling me. At last row. How am I supposed to do that?
Come on, get you back. What to say?
I can't do that. I can't do it. Something's gonna happen before I hit that. No, I can't do that. I can't do that, Corey. Do you see how small that is?
I do.
Are you not supposed to get through there?
Oh, you are.
You're a liar.
Nick,
How am I supposed to get through that?
do it slow.
No! Tell me what's supposed to happen! What's supposed to happen?
Okay, fine, I'll do it. Just get up.
You suck at this game. You couldn't even get past challenge 2.
Okay, let's go. I was like reaching over you.
Watch him run. Motherfucker. I'm doing the camera. You suck. Ha! You're so bad. How, Corey?
Because you jerked it.
Let me get past the challenge 2 and then you can do challenge 3. Yeah, alright. You haven't got past it once. He's like. Is there like timing on this? Because we're on like minute 40. Can you do it? Can you do it? Okay. Challenge. It's impossible to get through that. Are you supposed to get through that? I don't think you're supposed to. That's literally impossible. My hand's not that steady. Whoa.